साथियों, we have to create the clubs of the consumers and farmers. Because when farmers will produce the poisonless food, but if there is no consumer to purchase it, there will be a problem. So we want or we will establish the groups of the farmer. Suppose 100 farmers in one mandal, those who are practicing zero-based farming, they will get together and will form one producer company or producer group. And then there are so many housing societies in the big cities just like Hyderabad, and town places also, district places and tehsil places also. There are 150 or 200 families are member of that housing society. Then this group, there will be one chairman of this group, and his chairman will contact the chairman of that housing society. Sir, I am willing to meet you. We are producing poisonless food material by means of the zero-based natural farming. We are not utilizing any chemicals and also any organic material which are hazardous. And we are willing to give present to some our wheat, some rice, some dal, fruit and vegetable to you. Okay, फोकट में मिला है तो कोई नहीं, वो बोलेगा चलिए आ जाइए. He will give the permission. Then you will go there, 2-3 people, and exact time will be given by him. You will go and you will discuss with the chairman of the society, and let her wife should come in the meeting, that chairman wife. It is very essential. And then you start. This is the naturally grown rice, basmati, or any rice you are growing. It is natural. It is very nutritious, medicinal. No chemicals are having. No, it is a poison free. And we are willing to give to present to you. This is the wheat. This is the joda, the ragi. All these things you have to give the present. And then you have to tell, by eating this poisonless food, there will be no disease at all. You will be an energetic man, and you will be free from diseases. And 2 sentences are important. If you will eat this poisonless food, your beauty will be increased and fatness will be reduced. And after these 2 sentences, that Mr. Chairman of their society will become very serious, and she will propagate in entire colony without taking single rupee from you. And when they will take the taste, poisonless food and having beautiful taste of the local varieties, and automatically entire society will aware about the fact that it is a poisonless food and local seeds, very tasty, very nutritious, and then everybody will call you because you have given the address phone number. Okay, we want 1 quintal, we want 50 kg, we want, and then you will say, yes, I will give, but price is 80 rupees per kg. If you want, you purchase, otherwise die with the cancer. They will say, no, we do not want to die with the cancer, we want 100 rupees, but we want. And then consumer will come to your door. You will not go to the consumer. Consumer, you will come to your door and you will sell your prices on the higher prices, your produces. This can be done. We have done it in Maharashtra. So this is the one way to link the producer to state consumer so that mediator will be removed, because maximum amount is hidden by the mediator system and farmers are not getting any benefits. So this is also a solution to link the producer to consumer state. If the software engineers, professionals are not having land but they have a purchasing capacity and strong willingness also, so don't purchase individual land. I will suggest to form one 7 or 9 or 11 software engineer group, uh, friend circle. 2.5 acre land is enough for one family by this irrigated land. If it is dryland farm, 5 acre is enough. Suppose these are 11 party group, 11 engineer group. 2.5 acre or 5 acre land will be purchased on your own name, everybody individual name, and 2.5 will be for your group. In that 2.5 acre, you will establish a meditation hall, your huts or your small rooms for everybody. There will be one your seminar hall. There will be one garden and goshala, everything, and small children park. Everything should be there. A common 2.5 acre. And one manager will manage all these things. And every day morning, that manager will give door delivery of the fresh vegetables, fresh millets, or your cereals, or fruits and cow milk also. And only one person will go to manage there in one day in a week, and 6 days you are free for your service. And when Sunday, all the 11 families will go there and they will do the work in the farm, and they will manage, they will take the enjoyment of the Sunday. This is also a best, I think, that way to follow and to give the solution, so that your family will be strengthened by the poisonless food and joyful life, natural way of life, and even it will be the best model to the another people who are willing to purchase the land and to take the natural way of life. Third one, I will suggest that you have to adopt one village. Suppose you have a group of 100 software engineers or professionals. You have to adopt one village. You have to start the activities in that village by one small meeting with the sarpanch, head of that village, and some people and some youth. Just introduce that we are willing to work in this village, and these are our activities: zero budget natural farming, natural way of life, and we are expert in the watershed management and zero budget natural farming, all these things. In the small meeting, in the first, if the 10 villagers will participate in that meeting, afterward 1-2 villagers definitely will change the mentality and they will support you. Then next meeting, you give this modelization program to the people, that we will start the entire model village activities in your village. So we want your support. We do not want any single rupee from you. We will give our free services to you. Only we want your support. And then you have to start your activities. Your target is ideal knowledge, ideal village, Adarsh Gram. What is called in Telugu? Adarsh Gram. But when the Adarsha Grama, ideal village, that image in front of you, then straight you will go to the Anna Hazare's Rajaganj Sindhi or Popoto Pawar Hivre Bajar. I have seen there, I have studied well both the villages. Popoto Pawar has organized my one big workshop, and I studied well for 2 days. And I was surprised after study of that village development, how this Rajaganj Sindhi of Anna Hazare ji is ideal model. There was a question in mind. No doubt, in watershed management, Anna Hazare ji has done a beautiful job. No doubt, it is an ideal job. But it is not mean that village is ideal village. I have seen the all schemes of the Maharashtra government, lakhs of rupees scheme of Maharashtra government was introduced in one village, Rajaganj Sindhi. The new scheme of government of Maharashtra, okay, Rajaganj Sindhi. And a crores and crores of the rupees the government of Maharashtra has introduced in one village, Rajaganj Sindhi. Rajaganj Sindhi will be developed, but there are 6 lakh villages in India. How much we have to wait? It is not possible. It is not possible. That means on the government assistance, financial assistance, if any village will develop as a model village, but it will not be ideal for another villages because we have 6 lakh villages and government has no money. Government is a big beggar which are taking the money from the people by direct neither taxes. Not only people, they are taking the money from World Bank and Asian Vikas Bank, that means Asian Development Bank, International Monetary Fund, now all the BRICS, and this is a big beggar in the government. That means government has the limitation to convert all villages as a ideal model village. So, Rajaganj Sindhi, in the sense of the government financial support, it is not a ideal village, I think that. And I have seen the entire people of Rajaganj Sindhi of Anna Hazare ji are purchasing seed from the market, cities. They are purchasing fertilizer from the market. They are purchasing insecticide from the market. They are purchasing tractor and instrument from the market. They are purchasing organic fertilizer from the market. They are purchasing cosmetics from the market. They are purchasing the sugar and jaggery also from the market. Even they are purchasing vegetables from the market, and they are purchasing the cloth and medicines also from the market. That means I have calculated lakhs of rupees are going from Rajaganj Sindhi to the cities every year. If lakhs of rupees are going from the village Rajaganj Sindhi to the cities, how we can say it is ideal knowledge? How we can claim that it is a ideal village? I think that it is wrong. It is wrong to claim that Rajaganj Sindhi is an ideal village. Ideal village means that village which will not take single rupee from the government. That village, none of the money will go outside village. Money will not go from the village to the cities, but money will come to villages from the cities, and that is the ideal village. That is the ideal. It is the challenge for you. It is a challenge for you. What is to be done? The first step, every agricultural produce should be produced naturally in zero-based natural farming. That means they will not purchase seed, fertilizer, insecticide, tractor, and instrument. No, money will remain in the village. Then they have to establish uh, a small unit of the jaggery, jaggery preparation. Small unit. I will give the details of that small unit. In Pune district, there is a village Ravangao. Name is Ravangao, but there is no Ravan in that village. And there is one farmer who is practicing zero-based natural farming. He has a sugarcane plantation, 8 feet belt in between in between two lines. He is taking the pulses, vegetables, oil seeds as an intercrop. And he is preparing jaggery, manufacturing jaggery, a small unit. He himself, his wife, and one child, only 3 persons are manufacturing jaggery. Morning, they cut down the sugar cane, then take the your lunch, noon, and then they start jaggery preparation. Only 3. That means individual family also will manufacture the jaggery in small unit. I will give the address, phone number, no doubt. I have given in my books also. So every farmer will take sugarcane small for jaggery purpose. That means 1 gunta, 2 gunta, 5 gunta, not more than 5 gunta. It is not necessary, because naturally grown sugarcane is giving more than 14% of the sugar recovery, sometimes 16% of the sugar recovery. So, if you will take 1-2 gunta, it is enough for one family to saturate the demand of our jaggery for Jivamrutam preparation also, and for your family consumption also. Then the cloth. I have discussed about the fact that in zero-based natural farming, local cotton is giving more production than BT cotton. In individual farmer, cotton can be grown in any area of India, in any area. So we will take 10 gunta cotton or 5 gunta cotton for our own purposes. Then I have given the one project to IIT Delhi and IIT Kanpur in last meeting, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. I have said them I want small unit, cotton to cloth, small unit, small. It can be established in the village. Cotton will be collected, and from the cotton, with the natural dyes, natural colors, the cotton cloth will be, hosiery will be manufactured in that village. That means for cloth demand, money will not go outside your village, money will remain. Medium size of the unit is established in Wardha, in Magan Sangralaya Samiti. It is going on, cotton to cloth, you can go and we can visit. Third one, I have demanded small घानी, तेल घानी, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Oil mill. हाथ से चलने वाला, hand driven or single phase machine. You add the groundnut, oil and cake. You are linseed, oil and cake. That means, and that oil will be virgin oil, basic oil, natural oil. And we are selling 600 rupees per liter. 600 rupees per liter. I will give one bullock driven ghani, tel ghani, bullock driven. One bullock is uh, pulling the ghani, and oil and cake is manufactured. तेल घानी बोलते हैं उसको, बैल से चालित, बैल चालित. Vijaya has established. You can go and visit the modest small unit of Telghani. Otherwise, there is one machine established, but it is hard. So there is a improvement is going on in Gujarat. We have given the improvement modification projects. Single phase unit. You switch the button. Small ghani will be started, and you will get oil and cake in your home. In your home. It is not a big industry, a small gauge industry. We will give a label, this also to you. That means, what are the utilization of commodities in the villages? It will be manufactured in the village, and it will be occupied in the village and utilized in the village. And rest of the material will be sold in the towns. That means money from villages will not go to the towns, but when you sell excessive commodities or produce, the money will come from the towns to the village. This can be done, and we will do it as a ideal model, and you people will be take the initiation to adopt one village near your town or city. This is also a best solution. You can start your activities. Then, what we can do, individual person, what he can do? Because we have seen yesterday, factory, greenhouse gases. Global warming. Raw material coming from nature, destruction of the nature. And when utilization, of the commodities. Commodities are manufactured in the factories. Factories are emitting greenhouse gases because huge quantity of the smoke and greenhouse gases ultimate global warming and climate change. This is one part. Our factory, to manufacture the commodity, raw material is essential. And that raw material is coming from the nature. And nature is destroyed. Because the natural resources are not unlimited, are limited. They will go to finish one day, definitely. It is definite. And this raw material, transport of the raw material, diesel, petrol is burned, again the smoke is emitted, again global warming. To manufacture truck and tractor, again raw material will come from the nature, again destruction of the nature, and the truck tractor industry again will emit the greenhouse gases and global warming will be increased. Multi-fold destruction system, multi-fold natural resources destruction system. And when the produces or product will be come out of the factory, you will purchase the product. Multinational companies are producing companies. That means when you purchase the product from the market, money will go to, कहाँ जाएगा money? हाँ? Outside India, Europe, America. Money will go outside India because producer companies are the multinational companies. That means it will be a great recession of the Indian economy and rural economy also. And when you utilize, again you will pollute the water and environment. To transport this commodity, the diesel and petrol are burned. Again, greenhouse gases are emitted by the truck and tractors. Again, this to manufacture the trucks and tractors, the raw material is coming from the nature. Again, you are destroying the nature. And also, when you utilize all the commodities, one day they become outdated, and there is a disposal problem again. And disposal problem is a big problem because they create again greenhouse gases. That means this entire system of the development, so-called development, is responsible for destruction the nature. समझ में आ रहा है? So how to stop this destruction? It is the problem. And I will give the solution.